Hello, today I will be showing you a little bit about my Evernote. As you can see, I have two folders, one for EDCI 270 and another one for Psych 120. My EDCI 270 class has a collection of some of my assignments. You can see what I have worked on, and these are also what I have turned in. This is the clip from the website, and it wouldn't let me highlight everything that I needed to, but I was able to highlight as much as I needed. As you can see, I have highlighted things in different colors, that way it is easy to remember which group and what comment replies to which topic. I have 5 comments written, and they are in the same color as the highlighter, so it is easy to see. I also have tags for the clipping, also seen up here. My other folder is for my psych class, and it also has more notes that I used for homework. Thank you and have a good day.